Sweethearts, rise and shine. Time to go to school.
I'm tired, Mom. It's so bright out here. I want to go back in my egg.
We may be ostriches, but we do not have time to stick our heads in the sand.
Fine. Ugh, so sleepy. Brr, it's cold out here. Can't I get 5 more minutes in my egg, Mommy? Oh.
You'll feel better once you've had some breakfast. Let's get everyone else up. Come on, everybody, wake up.
I'm so tired. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up, Mommy. How does she have so much energy in the morning?
All right, everybody, let's see. 1, 2, 3. I think that's everybody. Wait a second. 3 of you are still in your eggs. Wake up. We have to get to school. Hatch already.